Alright, so guys, I'll be analyzing the Boom 1000 charts in order to show you guys how I analyze and take my entries, right? So this is what I'm gonna do, right? I'll be identifying the trend right here on the 4-hour time frame, alright? This is where I'll be starting my analysis from in today's video. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is to look for an entry in order to catch spikes, right? So here now, identifying this, I can see that this is an uptrend, alright? So as you can see, I'm using my mobile here, my mobile phone. So that is to show you that you can do your analysis using your mobile phone also. So now, after identifying the trend right here on the 4-hour time frame, I'll step down to the 1-hour time frame. So what I might do now, this is price going deep here, right? So I'll like try and find my trend line to match up with it in order to get the early entry opportunity whenever it presents itself, right? So this is what I'm doing right here. So now after drawing my trend line like this, right, what I'm gonna do is to look for the nearest support and resistance, alright, the most recent. So here, to show you how valid the trend line is, right, I'm going to mark out some support and resistance zone in order to like give you the understanding that yeah, this is a very good support and resistance zone. So you can see how the trend line and the support and resistance zone match up very well, right? So this is to show you that this area here, right, this area here is a strong support and resistance zone that is going to like bounce price whenever price gets to it, right? So here again, I can spot another support and resistance zone here, right here in this area that price has just broken. All right, this is a resistance zone being broken up by price, right? So price is currently heading up because, as you guys already know, the overall trend of the market right now is an uptrend. So this is a market for the spike catchers, all right? So if you are a spike catcher, this is a great opportunity for you in order to catch multiple spikes, right? So here, let's do some back testing here. So you can see that there was a support and resistance zone here, right? You can see that after price broke this, came retest, bounce back, and then you can see that price eventually broke it down here, right? It broke it down and then find some support here, and then this is when it now shoots up, right? So what I'm trying to do now is to make you understand what the market is currently doing. So you see that it bounced here and then shoot up, broke this resistance here, and now it's currently going up. So there's every possibility that now price will come back to this zone, find support here, and continue going up, right? So what I'm gonna be waiting for now is to wait for price to come to this zone, bounce up, or you know how this thing do sometimes it will not maybe bounce from that area, it may break this, but I know it's going to maybe find support here on our trend line and bounce up, or on this support and resistance zone here, all right? But if it doesn't, all right, I will just wait and see. If it doesn't find any support there, then there's every probability that it will find support here and continue to the upside, right? But if it doesn't find any support there, then that is when I will know that this trend has finally changed, right? To break our trend line here, retest it, and then continue going down. So me marking out my chart here, have an understanding of what the market will be doing, right? And all I should be doing now is to wait for my conditions to be met, and then I'll be taking my entries, right? I'll be taking my entry using the 15-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame, right? So this is what I have for you guys today. This is what I have to show you. So guys, that is pretty much everything. That's pretty much everything on this video. Alright, I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. If you are a new viewer, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because this is what I do here on this channel. I post powerful strategy that will help you grow your account. I do post indicator strategy, and I do my analysis. I do show you guys my analysis and how I do take my entries, alright, and the conditions that needs to be met before taking the entry, right? So that's what I do here, alright. So if you are getting value, please make sure you subscribe, click on the like button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thank you guys. Silver out.